Hi, want to know how to change band strap on your Xiaomi Smart Band 8 Active? So, to be honest, this process is really easy because this model doesn't have any special way how to change the band straps. So, to do it, we would need to just simply pull off this screen part that you can see here. It works just like a basic frame. You just take the screen with your two fingers and pull it to any of the sides. We can try it to another side, and yes, this is out. You can see how it looks. You don't need to push any buttons or anything else, simply take it out. Now when you have your new band strap, take this screen part and put it back like a basic frame. And this is it. I told you that this process is really easy. I hope this video was helpful and thanks for watching.